Hi, I'm Peter. I'm the product manager here at Onyx Coffee Spirits. Today we're going to talk about our Onyx Cold Brew Coffee Platinum. Essentially, it's espresso in a bottle. We've designed our Platinum to mimic the mouthfeel and body that you get from an espresso shot, except you don't have to stand at the espresso machine to pull out 30, 40 shots to fill up a 750ml bottle. Also, when you're pulling shots out of an espresso machine, you let them cool down. There's a lot of acid that develops after the shots cool down. It's pretty acrid and not very good tasting drink. You've got to put more sugar in it to balance out the acidity. With our cold brew coffee process, we can retain those natural sugars that you find inside the coffee itself. So you use less sugar in your cocktail and it's got a naturally sweetness to it. Miles better than letting a shot cool down from the espresso machine. It'll last 6 weeks in the fridge unopened, and once you've opened and started using it for the night, it'll last 10 days. Just pop the lid back on and put it in the fridge. Our Onyx Platinum creates the perfect crema for all espresso martinis and other shaken cocktails that'll last from the bar top to your guest table and create a truly Instagram worthy cocktail. Did I say cocktail twice? Really close.